Hey everyone! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add passwordless login to your WordPress website using the Multidots Passkey Login plugin. If you want your users to log in using Face ID, Touch ID, Windows Hello, or a device PIN, without entering a password, this plugin makes it super simple and completely secure. Let's get started. Passkeys are the new standard for modern authentication. With Multidots Passkey Login, your users can log in using biometric authentication or their device's built-in security. No passwords required. On the login screen, you'll see a new option called Sign in with a Passkey. I'll show you how to enable this on your own site for free in just a few minutes. First, go to Plugins, add New and search for the Multidots Passkey Login plugin. Install it and activate it. Once activated, you'll see a new passkey menu in your WordPress dashboard. Inside the passkey settings, you'll find some simple but important options such as Enable Passkey. This turns on passwordless login for your site. Require HTTPS. Makes sure passkeys only work over secure connections. Session Timeout. Defines how long a passkey session can stay active. Max credentials per user controls how many credentials a single user can register. These settings are ready to use out of the box, but you can adjust them anytime. Next, you can show the passkey login or registration buttons anywhere on your site using these shortcodes. Login button shortcode. This displays the Sign in with a Passkey button. Register Passkey button shortcode. This allows logged-in users to register their passkeys. Add these to any page, such as your member dashboard, a profile area, or a custom login page. Now, under this Manage Passkeys, admins can view all registered passkeys along with username, email, passkey status, and more. This helps you keep track of who is using passkeys on your site. Now, let's see it in action. I'm already logged in, so I'll open the page where I added the Register Passkey shortcode. I'll click the Register Passkey button, and the setup process starts. Depending on your device, you may see options like Password Manager, iCloud Keychain, etc. I'll choose iCloud Keychain and use Touch ID to register my passkey. And that's it. My passkey is now saved for this account. Now, let's log out and try logging in using the new method. On the WordPress login page, you'll notice a new button, Sign in with a Passkey. This is added automatically by the plugin. When I click it, my device prompts me to authenticate. I'll use Touch ID, and I'm instantly logged in. No password needed. Pretty smooth, right? And that's how you can set up passwordless login on WordPress in just a few minutes. Install the Multidots Passkey Login plugin, register a test passkey, and experience how fast and secure it feels. Your users will love it, and you'll probably see fewer forgot password requests too. Say goodbye to passwords, and hello to simpler, safer WordPress logins. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.